Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Maps to car's Bluetooth. So guys, if you want to connect your Google Maps with your car's Bluetooth, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on Bluetooth. And first of all, you have to simply connect your device with your car's Bluetooth. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply connect your device with your car's Bluetooth. So guys, do this, and after this go back to your home screen and now you have to open your Google Maps. And once you are here, you have to simply tap on this profile, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on settings. And once you are here, you have to simply tap on navigation, and now you have to simply turn on play voice over Bluetooth from here. So guys, you have to simply turn it on, and after this your Google Maps will be connected with your car's Bluetooth. So guys, you can see this, and after this you will be able to use your Google Maps on your car very easily. So guys, in this way you can also connect your Google Play with your car's Bluetooth. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.